YouTube. Today I got a package. Let's see what's inside. Okay, I know it's coins, but it's from my grandma, and she sends me coins a lot. I can tell it's a coin because that is giving it away, but I don't know what she sent, so yeah, let's find out. Rip it, rip it, rip it. Oh, whoa. A 1940 quarter. Nice. Whoa. And a 1 troy-ounce copper bullion coin. Oh my gosh, there's more. Open it all up. Oh, 2 coins for my collection just to add. Cool. There's one more thing, I think. Oh, whoa, what the heck? What's that? Whoa. Let me figure out what this is. Okay, this is some strange Colorado tax token coin. Yeah, cool. Well, bye. So I got 2 Arches, Utah State Quarters 2014, or National Park Quarters. A 30s 2-cent Colorado tax token. A 1940 90%, 10%, 90% silver, 10% copper quarter. And I don't think it's actually 1929 like it says, but a 1 troy-ounce copper bullion coin. Bye!